My name is Joy.
My name is Nelly.
And my name is Lance, and we will tell you what respiration is.
And we are the Yo-Yo Manem.
Intake and outtake of the gas.
True. Intake is the inhaling or inspiration, and outtake is the exhaling or expiration.
Yes, we inhale oxygen. And exhale. Yes, we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide.
There are two types of respiration. First, the external respiration, which is the interaction between lungs and atmosphere. The second is internal respiration, which is the interaction between lungs and blood.
Merong dalawang parte ang ating respiratory system. Una, ang upper respiratory tract. Dito makikita ang nose. The nose contains fine hairs called cilia. Yun yung mga buhok sa ilong natin. At nasal cavity, included sinus.
At ang pangalawa naman ay pharynx, contains the epiglottis.
Pangatlo, larynx. Larynx includes Adam's apple and the voice box. Yung pangalawa naman, yun yung lower respiratory tract.
Dito naman sa lower respiratory tract, dito natin makikita yung trachea na mas nakilala din bilang windpipe. Dito rin nakikita yung ciliated mucosa.
Okay, at ang pangalawa ulit ay ang bronchi. Left bronchus is longer and narrower than right bronchus.
Tapos yung pangatlo, lungs. So all in all, merong 5 lobes. Dun sa left, meron 2 lobes na nakakonekta sa brain tsaka stomach. Tapos yung sa right, mayroong 3 lobes na nakakonekta sa
Iba pang parte ng
the rest
ating katawan.
yeah.
That's all. Thank you.
Simple things that you should know about respiration.
Again, I'm Joy.
I'm Nelly.
And I'm Lance.
And we are the Yo-Yo Manem.